In a blunt assessment, United States President Joe Biden has labeled China a ticking time bomb due to its mounting economic woes, highlighting the country's vulnerabilities and raising alarms about potential repercussions. Biden mentioned China's struggle with weak growth, which he cautioned could prompt undesirable actions from a nation of considerable global influence. This rhetoric echoes earlier comments made by Biden in June, where he referred to President Xi Jinping as a dictator. Such pointed remarks drew ire from China, which deemed them a provocative gesture, further straining already delicate relations. Notably, United States Secretary of State Antony Blinken's recent visit to China aimed at mending relations was a reflection of the dire state of affairs between the two nations. Amid strained US-China ties, President Biden also signed order limiting new American investments in China, targeting key tech sectors like semiconductors, quantum tech, and AI. The order aims to curb China's military tech advancement and protect United States security, affecting various investment firms. China's economic woes are becoming increasingly evident. Its consumer sector has slid into deflation, and factory gate prices continue to plummet. This downward trend raises the specter of a prolonged period of sluggish economic growth for China, accompanied by stagnation in consumer prices and wages. This stands in stark contrast to inflationary trends experienced by much of the rest of the world. In comparison, the United States has grappled with its own set of challenges but managed to maintain high inflation levels and a resilient labor market. Biden's assertion that China is in trouble underscores growing concerns about the country's economic trajectory, which could have ripple effects across the global economic landscape. Biden's recent executive order restricting certain U.S. investments in China's sensitive technologies further illustrates the widening gap between the two nations. As the economic tides shift and global dynamics evolve, China's struggles are prompting significant introspection and critical scrutiny. The economic powerhouse's trajectory and its implications for international relations remain subjects of intense debate, raising important questions about the future of China's role on the world stage. Experts say India's resurgence in the South Asian region as a bigger economic power offers better options to the US-based companies, a win-win for India as it would appear on the face of it.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.